Are you in need of more customers? Are you tired of waiting on your friends and relatives to pitch in for you? If so, then you need an online lead generation strategy. Okay, first off, what is an online lead generation process anyway? Basically, it is a process of generating leads for your business that is highly targeted and exclusive. It is a perfect solution that will save your company or business from being just that annoying. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about I Need More Customers, Digital Marketing Solution. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Off-putting cold calling that is ruining many spaghetti dinners all across the country. So let's get started by defining a lead, then we will cover what online lead generation really is, why you should have a lead generation in your arsenal, how to generate leads, and finally, how to get subscribers to subscribe to your list. First of all, what exactly is an online lead generation process? In short, it is simply a process of building lists of leads, or people who are interested in your products or services. For example, if you run a travel agency, you would want to focus on social media marketing, connecting with people on social media sites like Facebook and Twitter. Now that we know what an online lead generation process is, let's move on to defining what an effective marketing funnel actually is. In essence, a marketing funnel is a tool that will take your qualified leads and funnel them through the proper marketing channels to your sales team. Ideally, these marketing channels should be set up before you bring your leads into your company, to ensure that they already know the benefits of doing business with you. For example, you could set up an initial consultation with a potential client via email, then send them an email offering them a free newsletter or some sort of information that relates to your products or service. This is a very effective marketing strategy, but what if you do not have an email marketing strategy in place? What if you are trying to generate organic leads, meaning you do not have a way to connect with your leads through email, and you want to generate more leads organically? Well, there is still hope. There is an entire subset of internet marketing strategies that revolve around generating qualified leads organically, through search engines. This is known as SEO or search engine optimization. When you create content upgrades for your email list, it should provide value to your target audience. It is best if you provide them with something of real value. That means your upgrade content should help them. If your upgrade content does not help your prospects, they will not buy from you. It is important that your lead generation plan includes providing your subscribers with valuable content, something that helps them. As an example, suppose you wanted to drive more traffic to your site through organic search results. To do this, you would want to optimize your website for the keywords you are targeting. In order to do this, you need to master at least one of the most popular and effective techniques known as Google SEO. That technique is called Google SEO. SEO is a technique used to boost the rankings of websites within the major search engines. By having a content marketing strategy that includes SEO, you can help to ensure that you can attract visitors to your site who are searching for what you have to offer. You can also help to convert those visitors into buyers. A content marketing strategy that includes SEO is very powerful when it comes to driving traffic and creating leads, which is the fundamental core of a successful internet marketing campaign. Thanks for watching my video about I Need More Customers, Digital Marketing Solution. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.